Upgrading a RAM in a workstation can feel like giving it a new lease on life. And that's exactly what ATEC aims to deliver with their 32GB DDR4 3200MHz memory module, specifically designed for a range of Dell Precision workstations. This isn't just any RAM. It's a single 32GB DMM operating at a speedy 3200MHz, or PC4-25600. It's built to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, running at a cool 1.2V. ATEC has designed this memory to be compatible with a wide array of Dell Precision models, including the 3440SFF, 3440XE, 3450SFF, 3450XE SFF, 3640XE Tower, 3650XE Tower, 5820, T3640, T5820, and T5820XL. This broad compatibility is a huge plus, meaning less time spent worrying about whether it will work with a specific machine. The module is non-ECC unbuffered, which is standard for most desktops and workstations. The real benefit here is the increased system memory. By expanding the RAM capacity, the system can handle more demanding tasks, juggle more applications simultaneously, and generally provide a smoother, faster experience. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process that can be done at home without requiring specialized expertise. Of course, it's always recommended to consult the system's manual for specific seating and channel guidelines to ensure optimal performance. ATEC also stands behind their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also have a tech team available to assist with any questions or concerns, both before and after the purchase. This level of support can be invaluable, especially for those who may be less familiar with hardware upgrades. The ATEC 32GB DDR4 module is a solid choice for anyone looking to boost the performance of their compatible Dell Precision workstation. The combination of speed, capacity, ease of installation, and ATEC support makes it a worthwhile upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.